Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to work with removing duplicate elements on our day 25 out of 30 days challenge. Wow, 30 days to go. You've come this far. I'm so excited for you. Yeah, thank you for coming along this journey with me. Right, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So give this video a try, then we can proceed. Just pause the video and try to do this by yourself, then we will proceed now. Alright, so the first thing I want to do right here is to first collect my input. So I'm just going to say list right here. Then I want to map and alright. So I want to map this into integer. And this is me collecting this input. Right here, I want to say elements. Alright. So elements here then. So how can I remove duplicates from this if I want to remove duplicates? Let's say I don't want any duplicates in this. How do I do that? So to do that, the approach I'll be using is, don't forget to comment your approach. You can also approach in the comment section. So the approach I'll be doing now is something like, alright. And before that, I should show you one more thing that you can do here. So we've been using this, let me just maximize this. We've been using this method to get our array since. You can also get your array with something like this. Right, okay. Let's just say okay. You can just do something like this where n is equals to int input no of elements right here. Then just say the strip. Alright, then you can do something like for arrow, okay, for I in range, and you want to have different inputs. So for I in range, and let's say you have an array right here, set an empty list, and now you're saying for I in range, and you just want to have this input, and you're appending the input, something like array dot append int input elements. So this will still work quite alright. And you can even go a step further by making this a one-liner by doing something like this. Alright, by doing something like this, and instead of doing it this way, you just have this way. Okay, I can decide to hide the strip here. Alright, so this will still work good. Alright, there's an error somewhere. Expected comma. Alright. So if I should comment this now, inputs. Alright, so this is working quite alright now. So this will still serve the same function and it will still be alright. So if I should run this now, you will see no of element 5, and now element 1, element 2, element 3, element 4, element 5. So yes, we have it that way. Or we can go this other route. So any way you decide to use, it will still be alright. So now I just want to have another list called unique right here. So unique right here, and I want to say this is an empty list. So what I want to do now is to say for num in array. So for num in array right here, if num not in unique itself, if my num is not in unique, I just want to go ahead and say unique dot append num itself. So if num is not in unique, I want to go ahead and append unique dot append num itself. All right. So after appending num itself, now I just want to come down here and print something like this. So join the map, then use this string to convert it to string unique. So I'm applying all this to this iterable. So I should go ahead and say, okay, now I want like 10, then I just have to say, all right. So before we continue, let's see if this will work. So this is our input. Can we use an S string in the input? Let's see. All right, so let's just say 10 right here. All right, so this works, this works. And the last one, so we have our unique elements with 3, 5, 1. So we have 8 unique elements, which means we duplicate some, right? Yeah, 2 was duplicated and some other ones was duplicated. And instead of going through this route again, another thing you can do right here is, I just comment this out, is just use say set array. As simple as that. So I should just say 5 here, and I have 1, 1, 3, 2, 5. So that's it. I have my unique element by just saying set, because set does not add duplicate, so it will only add a element once, just uniquely. So alright, so that'll be all for today's challenge, day 25. So 5 days left to go. Thank you so much for coming this far with us on this journey of 30 days Python coding challenge. So don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if there's any video you'd like to see, any content you'd like to see, put it down in the comment section over there. Thank you. Bye bye.